Hello everyone, I am Vivek Gupta and in this video I am going to present paper titled Video Question Answering Diagnostic Dataset. Apart from myself, the authors of the paper are Badri Patro, Hemant Parihar and Vinay Namboodiri. The dataset contains three object shapes, two surface variants, metal and rubber, and there are three surface textures, bubble, stripe, and square. The object contains pair of colors. There are six possible color pairs available. They also contain four movement types and two speed types. Each object can be uniquely identified by mentioning all the properties it possesses. Here we can see all the objects with metal variants on the left and with the rubber variants on the right. The texture on sphere and cylindrical objects helps to identify the object rotations. The questions are made up of small building blocks, each block handling a different aspect of comprehension. First, all the objects with different properties are added to the scene. Then, each of the building block is used in different permutations to generate questions for specific type. Here is the list of all the building blocks that are used in generating the questions. Here we present the dataset samples and the associated questions. Each question is correspond to a question type. The several filters of the questions decide the output of the question type. Here is the list of some of the fast and slow moving objects. The question being asked is passed through several filters to figure out a appropriate answer. We tried to run some models and obtain attention maps for these datasets. Here are the attention maps for some of the easy questions posed by the dataset. We can see that the attention map is trying to find out the properties for each object by attending each object, and then they are trying to answer the posed question. Here are some of the bad attention maps generated for challenging questions posed by the dataset. We have observed that for questions with more than two reasoning hops are particularly difficult to answer by the models.